Jina's JCloud is absolutely amazing. Deploying Thingy, my image generation Discord bot, was super easy. You just define the resources you need, you run the deploy command, and you're Gucci. However, during my first testing of Thingy 2, which ran on JCloud, I had some issues. One of the things was that the links that you get after you deploy are all random. So if one goes offline, you have to redeploy and you get a new link and you have to re-enter that link inside your application. I built this tool that will let you get the same link. It's very easy to integrate. There's only one extra step you have to do. It allows you to keep track of your running JCloud instances and automatically deploy one when it goes offline. And if Jina's JCloud goes offline entirely, you can even reroute your traffic to your own devices. In addition to just being reliable, it's also a lot cheaper because when JCloud gets paid, you can actually keep your lifetimes for your instances lower because they will get redeployed when they get used again. There's also an example, of course, and also even real world usage from the Thingy Discord bot. So if you want to see it live, you can check it out right now on GitHub or on Discord. Links will be in the description below. This was me live from Greece on my holiday. I love you all and I wish you all a pleasant rest of the week and bye for now.